Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are here in the parking lot of one of the best dim sum restaurants here in Sunnyvale, and it is Newport Dim Sum. So as you can see, the restaurant hasn't even opened yet. It will be opening in 5 minutes, but already there is quite a line. So you know this place is good. So we are so lucky to have come here just when it opens, because this place actually gets really crowded. And it's also a weekday, so yeah. Do you guys know what is really funny? From all the dim sum restaurants I've ever been to, I've never been able to pour tea without it spilling. And as you can see, I made quite a mess out of our jasmine tea. So here's our ticket. Let's see how much we rack up at the end. Alright guys, so we've gotten our first few little dishes. This is my favorite dim sum of all times. This is hagao. It's just shrimp wrapped in this clear little rice sheet. Yeah, rice sheet. It's chewy, it's delicious. It soaks up the flavor so well. And then this is shumai. I'm not a huge fan of this, but the girls love it. And this they haven't tried yet. And this is just steamed pork ribs. And this, I cannot wait to have. This is steamed soup dumplings. And finally, this is the same thing like this, but lobster inside. So first bite, you guys, I decided to go with the soup and dumpling because I'm just curious to see how tasty this is. So first poke. Let's see the soup ooze out. Any soup? Oh, there it is. All right.
Wait, no, start again. Start from the beginning.
Okay. So here's the soup dumpling, you guys. It's really, really hot, so I'll probably be doing that face that we all do when we eat hot stuff. Wow, it's really, really tasty. I really like that. I wish I had a little bit more soup, but it's really, really good. And it's falling apart. This is a good sign, you guys, when the first bite is delicious. It is so smart that they have it in this foil. It catches all of the soup and the juices.
This is really good.
And this is so tasty, you guys. Look at that.
Outside. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's so thin.
I really like this. I really like this dish.
Alright, Pike, what time, you guys? This is one of my favorites
So I'm going
from dim sum. It's just fatty pork ribs, and it looks,
guys, so
this one looks so juicy. And look how it jiggles.
Oh my god.
let's begin this.
Look at these kids. They're so cute.
Use this out.
They're all filming.
Let's try it now.
Anyway, let's get back to this amazing pork. Okay, first bite of the pike. What? Oh, cannot wait. This one is an especially fatty piece, and I love my fat. It's so good. It's so soft, juicy, and the fat. Oh, I just love it so much. Definitely one of the best, the top dim sum dishes you should try. My favorite, the hagao. This is so beautifully wrapped. It just looks perfect right now, so let's dig in. And this restaurant does it well. Hold on a minute. So one of the ways that I rate dim sum places is if they do their hog out right. Since it is my favorite dim sum dish, so I am very, very picky of how they are. If there's not enough flavor, the texture of the rice wrap, everything about it. And this one is just really great. The only thing that I have to say that is a negative is that it is a little bit salty, but it's not too salty. But I can feel a slight saltiness from it. But overall, the flavor's there. The chewiness of the rice wrap is there. And yeah, overall, very, very good. So it's half an hour since opening, and it seems like the restaurant is filling up nicely. So I can't wait until it gets even louder in here because it's getting there, you guys. Alright guys, so another one of my favorite dishes has arrived. This is term fun, and we got the shrimp one, so it is called ha term fun. And you know when a dish is my favorite is when I actually know the name of it. If I don't know the name of it, it's probably because I've never had it before, or it's because I just don't care enough to ever order it again. But yeah, this is one of my favorites, so let's dig in. Okay, let's just grab this one because it has a lot of okay, this is a lot harder than I thought, you guys. It's stuck. Okay, got it. Okay, let's dip. Let's do the dip. Alright, and then the swift transfer. Hopefully I don't get soy sauce onto the tablecloth. Yes, success. But now it looks unraveled. But this is delicious. It's just, I don't know what it is, but you need the soy sauce in it because it just completes the flavoring. So let me see how I can do this so that I can actually have like a true first bite. Okay guys, so let's take a bite of this. Having trouble here. There it is. Alright, finally got the bite. Okay, I wish I had a little bit more of that sweet soy sauce on the noodle, but this is good. So what I love about term fun is that the noodle is just so smooth. It has a slight chewy like texture to it, but because of how smooth it is, you can just swallow it whole. And it has this really nice butteriness to it too. I just love this so much. It tastes so good. Personally, I can do without the filling and just have the noodle. That's how good it is, the noodle and the sauce. Alright guys, we have one of my favorite little, I guess, dessert treats. This is a tat, also known as an egg tart. And this is also one of the few dim sum dishes that I really go hardcore rating on. One of the things I rate about it is if the custard inside is to my liking, of course, and also the flakiness of the crust. So let's test this out at Newport. I've actually never had an egg tart from Newport yet, so take the first bite. Okay, they do the egg tart here right. It is so good. Look at the custard and the egg ratio. The custard part is really nice, rich, buttery. But also have a beautiful sweetness to it. And then the crust is light, flaky, and just beautiful layers. It's really delicious. I would rate this an 8 out of 10. And that is a good rating for me, you guys. Okay guys, so we just ordered something that is called the deep fried crab claw. And this is actually Mayan's favorite dish. So we actually have to special order it, like showed a picture and asked them to make it for us. First bite. The first bite you get is just mostly shrimp. And it also comes with this red sauce. That hopefully it's good because the first sauce that I tried, I didn't like. It's the same thing.
Is it?
Yeah, I don't like the sauce. It just makes it really sweet. And I like a more savory dish. That's the claw. Alright guys, now for the final dish, the grand finale. We have been waiting or looking for this in the carts this entire time. This is actually Shai's favorite dish.
Whatever.
Okay, it could be not, but this is something that she's been really waiting for, and we had to ask the waiter to specially make this. So yeah, let's get the first taste. So it has this sauce, which is basically an oyster hoisin sauce. Okay, the sauce is really overpowering, so if I had duck in there, I wouldn't notice. So, let's try without the sauce this time. And if I were to be perfectly honest, I would have to say that I have had better duck before. This isn't as juicy or as fatty or as flavorful as I usually like my ducks. So yeah, I would have to say, even though we waited so long for this, it's a sad ending to a very beautiful meal. That's what I have to say about it. So our total with up to, let me just count it really quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 dishes, $69.84 is the grand total. Alright guys, so that is it for our wonderful dim sum meal. And yeah, I mean, most of the dishes were sublime. They were so good. And then there are some that are just like, it could be better, or I had better. But overall, this is one of the best dim sums that I've tried in the area. This is Newport. And yeah, I do recommend this place. And that is it for this delicious meal. I'm so glad that you were able to come along with me. Hopefully you had something tasty along the way. And if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you have any comments, don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to see future content of mine. And I will see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day, everyone, and happy wandering. Bye, guys.